Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. Here on the XRP chart, we start on the larger time frame just briefly to set the context. The overall idea is still that we are dealing with a larger sideways consolidation here. I mean, this correction might be complete, but we haven't seen an upside breakout yet. We can follow the smaller time frame patterns for that to get some more clarity in it. We have some clarity there. And clarity is always good from a trader point of view. However, here on the larger time frame, really there is no change. I just want to, let's say, highlight again for everybody who's new on the channel. I want to highlight again the relevant support zone that is currently important to watch here for keeping the overall uptrend intact on the larger time frame. And that support zone is defined between $1.20 and $2.07. It is still relevant, it is not broken, and we can still watch for higher prices overall in this yellow scenario. So one more high would still be expected, and important is also to understand that the area around $4.20 is the next upside target. But first of all, we need to get above $3.30 to $3.40. And anything above $4.20 is, I would say, a reasonable cycle target. Now, $4.20, it is the next micro resistance level, I would say, if we break into all-time high territory. But then we've got $5, $5.65, $6.60 as reasonable next upside targets. Now, let's take a look at the smaller time frame then, because here we get some clarity, which, as I said, is good. We have seen sideways consolidation over the weekend, and I explained to you that we're tracking two bullish scenarios, one more directly bullish, but we didn't really see any upside breakout confirmation, and one in which the market would probably test the blue zone, which is between $2.19 and $2.39 before we really start a serious upside breakout attempt. So it becomes quite clear that the market is going that path. Essentially, that is the yellow scenario that we're following right now. These are the micro patterns that could send us down a little bit lower, more closely towards the $2.10 to $2.22 area. If you look at the microstructure here, it becomes clear that a larger degree wave 4, at least that is one of the ideas I have, a larger degree wave 4 bottomed on the 3rd of February. We have an initial rally labeled as wave 1 of the larger degree 5th wave. From an Elliott wave point of view, also that 5th wave should be a 5-wave pattern. So this is the wave 1. Then the wave 2 could be unfolding right now as a so-called flat correction. This is a typical Elliott wave correction pattern, and it's labeled wave A, a high B wave, which does slightly break above the previous high. And now the C wave to the downside is the last wave down of this correction, but also this wave is characterized by 5 sub-wave structures. Wave 1 already done, wave 2 already done, then the 3rd wave is likely unfolding right now. It should land somewhere in the middle of that blue zone, probably around $2.26, maybe $2.30. Then we should get another lower high, a last bounce, before the final decline happens, and could send the price, towards $2.22, $2.19, $2.10. And we'll see if the price can find support there. If not, then $1.95 is sort of the last key support level I can offer for this bullish scenario. You might ask, why is it a bullish scenario if we're going down? Because this is a sideways range, and the market still seems to be just consolidating, and the market has not yet completed this local correction in an uptrend. I see this currently as a correction in an uptrend, with $1.95, however, being the main support level. So any break below $1.95 would indicate that a reinterpretation is necessary and probably something more bearish is playing out. Any break above the green line at $2.83 should be a signal that we're on our way into all-time high territory, or at least to test the $3.40 level. That's the update about XRP. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, make sure that you follow the link in the description to check out our main channel, MCO Global. Here you can find a video about XRP, which is our long-term outlook for XRP, which also gives an idea of where XRP might land in the next bear market and the next bull market afterwards. So you can find the link in the description. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.